What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1989 GMC. This is a Studebaker kit. Got a believed to be 350 under the hood. This thing's wild. And we're going to be taking it down the road for a test drive here shortly. We post videos of classic American muscle cars every day. We've always got something new up here. So hit that subscribe button, and if you don't mind, share these videos. It helps us out quite a bit. You can go over to maplemotors.com and see all of our inventory. We also have financing, shipping, 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. All right, guys. I'll tell you what, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, we're gonna look around the interior. Before we take off, go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? You can see it's got a lot of custom paint on the dash. This thing looks wild. It's glowing in here. We'll go ahead and start it up. You got a switch down here that cuts on the electric fan. You might want to use that. I noticed this thing has some nipples from the back and the front of the car to re-air up the air ride. And it has it where you can let it out up here. I don't know if the pump's working on it or not. There's a switch down here that makes it click, but it's not kicking on, so. But it does hold air. I've never seen it go down since we've owned it. Looking around on the dash, you do have your windshield wipers will work if you put the windshield wiper clamp back on it. And the blade. Horn, you ready? Horn's working. Gas gauge, we're definitely gonna stop and get that. Looks like your oil pressure's up and your temperature's right around 190. At least you're coming down a little bit where it's been off. Radio, it's cutting on. Radio is working on this one. Got an aftermarket shifter right here, racing harnesses, aftermarket mirror, pretty nice seats. Definitely watch that walk around video. It goes over everything on the inside of the car. Let's take off and see how she drives. Okay, we're getting ready to take off down the road. Anything that I see that's wrong with this, I will let you know. See how she rides. Pretty smooth going down the road here. Oh, horn works. We're going straight as an arrow down the road. It's not pulling to the left or right, and the steering's nice and tight. Kickdown's hooked up on this one. It's a really smooth ride. Brakes feel pretty good. We do not have a speedometer. It's missing out of the dash right here. It's probably something they just haven't added yet when they were building this. Gas gauge is showing right at a quarter tank. Or below a quarter tank. It's like right there in the middle. Turn signals are popping up on the dash. pretty loud under the hood. That's what that whining noise is. Really, this thing's pretty smooth ride. We're gonna pull in the park over here, get some outside shots. This thing's pretty low to the ground, so I don't know if I'll be able to get my drive over camera view of the undercarriage. But I do have detailed pictures at maplemotors.com of the undercarriage. And on the walk around video, I do some shots all around the vehicle. All right, we're gonna pull over here, get these outside shots, and head on back to the lot. Okay, so all of our vitals are pretty good. The oil pressure's around 30, engine temperature's at 190. Everything seems a-okay. Here we go. Well, we're gonna roll out of here. Tell you what, this thing's got plenty of power. I was about half throttle when I was passing the camera earlier. It felt like it was getting ready to spin the tires. It did just spin the tires. I didn't expect that. Speed bump's coming up right here. Little bumpy. A little bumpy over the speed bump, that's for sure. Waiting on this light here. We're right around the corner from the car lot. I hope y'all enjoyed this test drive video. pulling back in the lot. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. Y'all have a good one. Okay guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I post videos of classic cars every single day. You can check out maplemotors.com. We got close to 100 detailed pictures of every ride. We update that every Monday. We have shipping and financing available. If you're out there sharing the videos, I appreciate that very much. It helps us out greatly. Maybe we can hit that 300 faster this time. All right, guys, thank y'all very much for riding along. I'm gonna grab another car and end my day of work. Y'all have a good one. See you later.